The 2026 Tesla tiny house isn't built like the typical cabin on wheels. Instead of being just a compact box, it's designed more like protected technology, with an armored outer shell, biometric access, and a full 360-degree AI Sentry system keeping constant watch. This is not merely a home, it's a reimagining of what a smart living space can be. By combining physical security, affordability, and true mobility in one package, Tesla's approach creates a solution unmatched by conventional housing. Before exploring its details, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the innovations on the horizon. The structure begins with an armor-grade shell built for life both on the road and on stationary lots. Tesla uses an extruded aluminum frame paired with composite sandwich panels, which provide strength without excessive weight. Aluminum alloy 6061 T6, with its yield strength of around 276 megapascals and stiffness near 69 gigapascals, manages to be both tough and lightweight at a density of just 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter. Compared to steel's much heavier 7,850 kilograms per cubic meter, the weight savings are critical for a mobile home. The sandwich panel method is simple but powerful, two strong skins bonded to a lightweight core, often aluminum honeycomb or closed-cell foam. The separated skins act like an I-beam, giving the wall far greater resistance to dents and bending than thin sheets of metal. While many traditional tiny houses use siding just 0.36 to 0.55 millimeters thick, Tesla's sandwich panels are several centimeters thick. This allows them to spread and absorb impacts that would crease or puncture weaker shells. Fire resistance is also crucial. Aluminum itself does not burn and only melts at around 660 degrees Celsius, whereas wood can ignite at roughly half that temperature. By choosing mineral-filled or high-grade composite panels, Tesla ensures compliance with strict fire standards such as ASME 84, where flame spread and smoke levels are tightly controlled. Thermal performance is handled just as carefully. Since aluminum conducts heat quickly, the shell integrates insulating foams like closed-cell polyurethane, which deliver high R values per inch. A 2-inch insulating core achieves up to R14, keeping the house cooler in summer and warmer in winter while maintaining structural rigidity. Entry security is reinvented through the Tesla Smart Door, which connects directly to the owner's Tesla account and smartphone. This means authorized users can unlock it instantly through credentials already in their pockets. All traffic is encrypted with TLS 1.3, while stored credentials are safeguarded with AES 256, with cryptographic keys rotated on a schedule. More sensitive actions can require two-factor verification, such as a biometric scan paired with phone proximity. Speed and reliability matter for a frequently used home, so biometric systems like capacitive fingerprint readers and infrared-based face recognition are tuned for accuracy, offering rejection rates below a few percent and accept rates as rare as 1 in a million. Most matches return in under a second, ensuring entry feels effortless. Connectivity is also tuned for mobility, with Bluetooth Low Energy handling local interactions and ultra-wideband confirming device presence right outside the door, enabling secure passive entry. Access can be shared for specific time windows and revoked remotely. The hardware itself is reinforced, the door core resists prying, strike plates anchor deep into the frame, multi-point latches engage in several spots, and laminated glass near the entry resists break-ins. The lock is powered by a sealed battery lasting months per charge, with hidden ports and a backup mechanical cylinder ensuring access in emergencies. Privacy is preserved with on-device biometric matching, secure boot processes, and signed firmware updates to prevent tampering. Role-based permissions allow families and contractors to be managed separately, combining usability with high security. The Tesla tiny house also integrates a 360-degree AI monitoring system. Rather than adding cameras as an afterthought, Tesla builds them into the design from the start. Between 4 and 6 wide-field cameras form an overlapping ring around the house, eliminating blind spots. Power and cabling run within the walls, making tampering far more difficult. Large image sensors with wide aperture lenses capture crisp images in both day and night conditions, aided by infrared illumination that reaches up to 30 meters and advanced HDR to balance lighting extremes. Even in extremely low light, color night modes can produce usable images. Onboard neural processors, rated at up to 10 trillion operations per second, handle detection of people, vehicles, pets, and suspicious behaviors like loitering, climbing, or package theft. With sub-200 millisecond latency, alerts arrive almost instantly, while intelligent analytics reduce false positives by over 80%. Storage and bandwidth are balanced smartly. Continuous recording from 4 cameras would consume over 170 gigabytes per day, but motion-based recording cuts this to around 26 gigabytes daily, allowing a 256 gigabytes card to hold more than a week of activity. With power needs of just 30 to 35 watts, the system can run indefinitely on solar and batteries, with all data signed, encrypted, and accessible only with multi-factor authentication. The windows are designed with intrusion resistance as well. Tesla uses laminated glazing, multiple panes bonded with interlayers like PVB, to resist forced entry. Even when cracked, the glass holds together rather than falling apart, denying intruders quick access. For higher-risk openings, thicker laminates or tempered and laminated combinations can be used, delivering performance that withstands dozens of heavy strikes in standardized tests. Despite this strength, natural light isn't sacrificed. Low-iron glass and specialized coatings allow 60 to 70% of light to pass through while also improving insulation. Double-pane laminated units can reach U factors near 1.1 to 1.6 W/m superscript 2K, balancing energy efficiency with comfort. Acoustic performance improves too, reducing noise intrusion by up to 10 STC points. Reinforced frames, multi-point locks, and optional storm layers make these windows formidable barriers without creating a bunker-like feel. Energy independence comes through Tesla's solar roof paired with Powerwall storage. The solar roof maintains sleek aesthetics while offering Class A fire ratings and Class 4 hail resistance, ensuring durability in harsh weather. A single Powerwall can store 13.5 kilowatt-hours, easily enough for a tiny house whose daily consumption is often under 8 kilowatt-hours. With continuous output of 5 to 11.5 kilowatts depending on model, essential systems and even major appliances can run without a generator. Automatic islanding, fast transfer, and app-based controls ensure that during blackouts, the tiny house keeps running seamlessly. Loads can be prioritized, and additional batteries can be added as needs grow. Mobility is another defining factor. The house is built on a robust trailer platform with tandem axles rated between 3,500 and 7,000 pounds each, yielding a total capacity of up to 14,000 pounds. Weight distribution is carefully engineered to keep towing stable, with batteries placed low to reduce sway and improve handling. Legal dimensions are observed so that permits and escorts aren't required, with width capped at 8.5 feet and height around 13.5 feet. Suspension, stabilizers, and self-leveling systems ensure comfort and fast setup, while standardized hitching and braking systems keep transport safe. Quick connect utility ports and strong tie-downs make anchoring simple when weather turns rough. Because the Tesla tiny house runs so much through digital systems, cybersecurity is treated as seriously as physical locks. All communications are encrypted with TLS 1.3, and stored data is protected by AES 256. Biometric data never leaves the device, reducing exposure. Strong identity protocols, passkeys, and multi-factor authentication ensure only authorized users gain access. System integrity is enforced by secure boot, with only signed updates accepted. Logs record all activity, and keys can be rotated regularly or revoked instantly if a device is lost. Network security follows best practices, with WPA3 encryption, segmentation, and outbound traffic allow listing. Even during internet outages, the system defaults to local first control, keeping everything functional. If tampering is detected, the system can revert to local-only mode, sound alarms, and require re-authentication. Together, these elements create a mobile home that is at once secure, autonomous, and highly adaptable. Whether the grid goes down or circumstances require relocation, the Tesla tiny house is built to keep you powered, connected, and protected. It transforms the concept of a portable dwelling into a high-tech fortress that still feels open, efficient, and livable. If this vision of housing in 2026 excites you, let us know which feature resonates most. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of Tesla innovation.